Hey guys, hopefully everyone is doing well. Today's target is to solve question number 7. The chapter which we are related with is capital and revenue. As usual, 5 entries are given in this question. What we will do, we will write down these entries in detail, then we will decide it is capital and revenue, and finally the reason. And as you know that these reasons are already discussed over here, and any one reason from revenue or capital we can use. But we will try to see the closest possible reason to be written over here. All right, now we are open to start our question. First entry. And what is it saying? Wages paid for the installation of machine. Please underline this word machine. Installation mean you have, for example, you brought AC. That AC is needed to be hanged on the wall. This process of hanging that AC on the wall is called installation. All right. So you have bought that machine and installed. Since this sort of installation would not be in regular course of business, it is not usual practice, it would be installed once in the life of the machine. So first entry we have seen installation of machine. Another thing you have noticed that I am not talking about wages. We are talking about installation. We have talked about machinery. So our focus is machine, which is your asset. That is why you have decided it is capital. Now it would not happen again and again. Yes. And several other reasons can also be decided. It is for longer period. Yes. It does not happen again and again. Yes, it is possible. So we are taking this, and other reasons can also be considered, but for the time being we are taking it since installation is needed once in the life, so it would not happen again. Now let's see what second entry is saying. Payment made for the purchase of furniture. You have bought furniture. Furniture is your asset, so it's little direct and easy. Purchase of furniture. As you know that furniture at your house will not be bought again and again. So this furniture would be bought once in several years. That is why it is called capital. So longer period, yes. Asset is required, yes. It has physical existence, yes. So we can take assets are required. As you know that several reasons are matched, but the closest reason was we have bought the asset directly given in your question. Look at here, purchase is given, so we have written asset is required. Then we have third entry, and let's see what third is saying. Custom duty paid on machinery. What is custom duty? When you will buy any asset from abroad, from a foreign country, when you will bring that asset to Pakistan or to your own country, what will happen? You will have to pay tax. The tax which is applied at the borders is called custom duty. So obviously you have bought a machinery. More importantly, underline this word machinery. We have bought machinery and paid custom on machine. We have already understood we are working on machine. Machine is your asset. So that is why it is your capital. And there are several reasons. This expense has been made to buy that machinery. So it would not happen again and again. It is not for shorter period of time. It is for the longer period of time. So this reason, as we haven't chosen previously, so we can use it. So what we have decided, it is made for the longer period of time, custom on machinery, because it would be paid only at the time of buying that machinery. At the time of importing, import mean buying from the foreign country. So that is why we have considered it as capital. Now next, number 4, we will see what it is saying. Cost of air conditioning. Again, I am sure that you have already understood it. Cost of air conditioning means you have installed or you have bought a new asset, air conditioner. So obviously it is not happening again and again. It would be considered as capital. And since cost of air conditioning This would be shown in balance sheet only. Yes, it will improve the position of the business. Yes, this is close. It will improve the position of the business because you have bought an AC. Cost of AC means obviously you have bought that AC and how much amount you have paid is your cost. So this cost is to be considered as capital because it would not happen again and again, and it will improve the position of the business when you will install your AC. Now number 5 and last, profit earned on sale of fixed asset. Again underline this fixed asset. Although we have earned profit earned on sale of fixed asset. All right, please note it down. Let's say you have purchased a machine for rupees 1000. After a short period of time, you realize that you don't like it, you don't like its color, or you are not satisfied with the progress. You started selling it, and luckily you have sold it for rupees 1200. So how much profit you will earn? The amount which you have spent to purchase that machine 1000, this is machine purchased, and then you have sold same machine, you have sold the same machine for 1200. Now note it down, bought machinery 1000, sold 1200, so it means 200 would be considered as your profit. So this profit is discussed over here, profit earned on sale of fixed assets. You can understand that if we are having fans, AC, furniture, fixtures at our house, usually we will not sell them. Even some of the furniture units are present for more than 10 years at your house. So normally in business, we do not sell our fixed asset for the shorter period of time. So it's a long-term journey. That is why whatever you are earning is capital. But here I need few more minutes to understand. This is little different. Look, installer machine, you have paid. Purchase of furniture, you have paid. Custom on machinery, paid. Cost of air conditioning, paid. But here we have received. So now you will change this heading and you will write capital receipt. Since we have little small space, I will write over here. It is capital receipt. Please understand it is little different. So you will write capital receipt because we are receiving some amount, not paying. Now for capital, there are several reasons over here. Since you have sold it, you have sold your asset, and normally it's not usual practice. It is made for the longer period of time. Same situation would be posed as a reason over here. So first time we have written capital receipt because it's not an expense. You are receiving amount. So you will write capital receipt. So guys, in this way our 5 entries completed. Solution is in front of you. It is requested to please practice it by yourself at your home. After practicing, if you feel anything difficult, you are very open to share your problem through text messages, or you can directly contact to share your problem. I will be trying my best to answer your queries instantly. So thank you very much for your time. It's time to end our lecture. It's time to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.